Driving at night with poor visibility can be tough, especially when your car's headlights aren't as bright as they used to be. Having a set of powerful LED bulbs makes a huge difference. They don't just light up the road better, they also give you more confidence and safety every time you drive. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best H4 LED headlights for cars available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these headlights, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Fahren FX6 LED Bulbs, a powerful lighting upgrade that stands out for its extreme brightness and crystal clear visibility. With a total output of 120 watts per pair and up to 65,000 lumens, these headlights deliver performance that's nearly 10 times brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. Their pure white 6,500 Kelvin color temperature provides a sharp daylight-like tone that makes every detail of the road easy to see, even on dark nights or during heavy rain. The focused beam pattern eliminates glare and dark spots, creating a wider and more stable illumination that doesn't blind oncoming drivers. This is thanks to their ultra-thin design and precisely positioned LED chips, which project light evenly and effectively. Installation is quick and hassle-free. The structure matches standard halogen bulbs, so you can set them up in about 10 minutes without using any tools. Each set also includes a built-in decoder, improving compatibility with your car's electrical system. These headlights are built to last, with an impressive lifespan of over 60,000 hours. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum, they include a turbo cooling fan running at 15,000 revolutions per minute to keep the temperature stable and prevent overheating. The CAN bus system makes them compatible with 99% of vehicles, avoiding dashboard errors and flickering lights. Their high-definition illumination provides realistic color rendering and helps reduce eye strain, making them perfect for long drives or frequent nighttime use. Plus, their sealed, waterproof, and dustproof construction ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions. Combining power, durability, and safety, these headlights are an excellent choice for anyone who wants professional-grade lighting and superior visibility on the road. Next up, we have the Beamtech LED Bulbs, a practical choice for anyone who wants to upgrade their car's lighting without any hassle. This kit includes 2 9005 bulbs and 2 H11 bulbs, ready to install right out of the box. No adapters or external drivers needed. Their compact design fits perfectly into most headlights, making installation quick, clean, and something you can easily do in just a few minutes. One of the biggest advantages of these lights is their silent operation. Since they don't use a fan, they run smoothly and quietly, avoiding vibrations and reducing the chance of failure over time. With no moving parts, there's also less need for maintenance, which means they're built to last and stay reliable for years. When it comes to visibility, these headlights provide a focused and evenly distributed beam, very similar to standard halogen bulbs, but with much higher brightness. The bright white light they emit enhances night visibility, making it easier to spot curves, obstacles, and road signs, even in rain or foggy conditions. Durability is another strong point. These bulbs are made from aerospace-grade aluminum, a material known for its excellent heat dissipation, preventing overheating and keeping performance stable for thousands of hours. Their lifespan is equivalent to more than 100 standard halogen bulbs, which means fewer replacements and better value in the long run. They also feature instant-on technology, lighting up immediately with no flickering or delay, which is especially useful in poor visibility situations. Plus, their sealed, weather-resistant construction keeps out dust, moisture, and vibrations, ensuring stable operation even in extreme climates. Combining brightness, reliability, and long-lasting quality, these lights are an excellent pick for drivers who want a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Reno H4 LED Lights, a great option for drivers who want clear and safe visibility no matter the weather. These headlights deliver bright, even illumination that makes night driving or bad weather conditions like rain, fog, or snow much safer. The focused beam helps you see road details more clearly, improving confidence both on highways and off-road routes. Their compact one-to-one design, identical in size to standard halogen bulbs, makes installation quick and easy. They fit perfectly into factory headlight housings without any modification. Plus, the fanless structure means they operate silently and without vibration, offering steady performance even during long drives. One of their strongest features is their impressive lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. This durability comes from their aerospace-grade aluminum body and advanced heat dissipation system, which keeps temperatures low and prevents overheating. These headlights are built to last, even under tough conditions. Installing them takes less than 5 minutes. Simply plug them in and you're good to go. They're also compatible with 99% of vehicles, thanks to their CAN bus technology, which prevents dashboard errors and flickering issues that can occur with other bulbs. The weather-resistant and dust-proof construction makes them perfect for any environment, while the passive cooling system ensures consistent performance with zero maintenance. Designed for power, durability, and quiet operation, these headlights provide reliable illumination for every trip, whether you're driving through the night or facing heavy rain. Now let's move on to the Nineo LED Lights, a great choice for drivers looking for powerful brightness and easy installation. These headlights deliver light that's 3 times brighter than standard halogen bulbs, giving you a wider and clearer view of the road ahead. They make night driving and poorly lit routes much safer by helping you spot obstacles and signs from a greater distance. Installing them is quick and effortless, since they're built with a one-to-one design identical to halogen bulbs. There's no need for tools or technical skills, just plug them in and you're good to go. Their wireless connection also works perfectly with ATV, UTV, and fog lights, which makes setup even easier for different types of vehicles. These headlights produce a precisely focused beam, free from dark spots or glare that could bother oncoming drivers. Thanks to their heat-resistant LED chips, they project a clear and consistent beam that illuminates both the sides and the road ahead. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum, they're lightweight but strong, offering excellent heat dissipation and a lifespan of over 50,000 hours without losing performance. They also include an intelligent CAN bus system that prevents flickering and dashboard errors, ensuring smooth electrical performance. For highly sensitive vehicles, an optional decoder can be added for complete compatibility. Their fanless design allows them to run silently and steadily, which is perfect for drivers who prefer a quiet experience behind the wheel. Plus, the sealed construction makes them resistant to dust, water, and extreme temperatures, so they perform reliably whether you're driving through the city, on highways, or off-road trails. Combining brightness, endurance, and dependability, these headlights stand out as one of the most well-rounded options in their category. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the Fahren H4 Fog LED Bulbs, designed for drivers who want maximum visibility during nighttime driving. These lights are incredibly bright, up to 1,000% more powerful than traditional halogen bulbs, thanks to their high-performance automotive chips that deliver an impressive 50,000 lumens per pair. With a cool white color temperature of 6,500 Kelvin, they produce a clear, crisp beam that lets you see farther and sharper even on the darkest roads. They're also built to last, offering a lifespan of up to 60,000 hours, far surpassing standard bulbs. Each light is made from aerospace-grade aluminum and features a hollow-carved heatsink combined with a 12,000 revolutions per minute turbofan. This advanced cooling system keeps the temperature stable and prevents overheating, ensuring consistent performance over time. Installation is quick and easy thanks to their plug-and-play design, which matches the shape and size of standard halogen bulbs. You don't need any tools or extra adapters, just connect them and you're done. They're also compatible with 98% of vehicles, featuring CAN bus technology that prevents dashboard errors and annoying flickering issues. Another highlight is the 360-degree adjustable beam pattern, allowing you to fine-tune the light direction for even illumination without blind spots or glare. Perfect for safer driving at night. An intelligent control module automatically adjusts voltage and temperature to protect against power surges and maintain peak efficiency. These bulbs are waterproof and dustproof, rated IP68, meaning they can handle rain, snow, and dusty roads with no problem. Combining power, durability, and safety, these lights are an excellent choice for anyone who wants professional-grade illumination and a more confident driving experience. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect H4 LED headlights for your car, or if there's another LED headlight you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.